Okay guys, I wanna share recent tips today. Just wanna show to you how to change the theme for the display for the Muslim. If you feel that more, you can change the theme, okay? So you can just go to this one and go to the preference and change the theme. You find the option theme and make it for example dark blue, okay, and you just apply and then it's gonna be applied this, okay. This option is gonna be blue, right? So I wanna change this one, okay, the display of this area, okay. So let's take a look to the display setting right here and the environment. You change to the text style. It's going to look like this. If you want to change infinity full like this, and you can try it for yourself, okay? So I wanna try to make it with, yeah, I think I'm gonna try with dash 5. And let's go to make it a sum object. Make it some circle maybe on the center. Let's see. And insert. Oh, it's not like this. Yeah, I really like it. And just try to simulate. Oh, okay. So what if we make it a hole? It's already a circle, so we just cut it off. Oh, this is really cool. And just change again the environment, playroom, and the other one. Oh, really cool. But I don't get additional light if I use this game. How if get to the photo booth? Okay, and get to the default setting for the game using plastic. And okay. Okay, this is fusion plastic look like for the game. Okay, that's a simple trick for the fusion to change the theme, okay?